Hello guys, welcome to BitcoinMF. A quick TA update of the day, the way I see the market. I remind you this is not financial advice, so please make your own research. So, like always, we look at the daily, and we're still at this range, in my opinion, between the blue lines. And right now, we've got a nice daily green candle, and with today's news, I'm sure you heard about it. The tweet of Trump did, and everybody is going nuts, in my opinion. And right now, we see kind of a bullish price action. It's going up. Again, I'm still short, but underwater. But it doesn't mean that you have to do the same like me. What I want to see for today is actually if bulls are really in control. In my opinion, it could go up even to here, to 1250, and maybe even higher to check this line. But first, it of course need to break this line 11.9 of resistance right now that we can see here. Okay, so this is the basic level charts that I watched today, and this is the bull scenario. Okay, and the bear scenario is of course that this will keep be resistance, and we slowly go downwards from here, in my opinion. And if we open the indicators, then we can see that the RSI is showing us a nice bounce out of the around 50 level. And if you follow me, you know that I like to watch this as two halves, and we can see that whenever the RSI is above 50, we got all of this nice move up. So now I watch to see if this still can go continue on a daily level like this for the bulls, and if it does, it will continue to go up, in my opinion. But if some bears step in, and somehow market will come down, so this will start to also go down, and I watch this level to see if it breaks down. And why I still watch this? Because also the MACD is indecisive here, in my opinion, and also I watch it more generally, as you can see the histogram is playing, okay, like this, here and there, like a sinus wave kind of, and sometimes less amplitude, sometimes more, but and those lines are going all the way up and are playing with us also. So right now I want to see if actually I know with all the bullish news and all of this and all of that, but technically I want to see if this can go, maybe those lines can go more down, and this will cause the MACD to stay in the negative histogram. And also the stochastic RSI here, you see, is kind of doing not understandable things, and it's because the RSI is playing. Okay, so this is what I watch as a bear, and of course again I watch it because I'm underwater, so don't take advice from me, if you know what I mean. And let's do the quick run up of the daily time frames, and we switch to Aiki, and we add the Bollinger Bands and the BitcoinMF strategy, and let's see what we can see. We can see that right now still on the long, if you've been following the Discord server and the videos, I told that if you're in long from this signal, I advise to maybe consider to stop loss at profit. And right now this is on the Aiki is still the situation, okay, although here it's even a little worse, because maybe it took you out here with a profit and then it continues to go up, but here it already says short. But I less look at the strategy with the regular candles, because like I always say, it must be with the Heikin-Ashi candles. And right now I want to see if this keeps going more down, so we will get a short signal. And even after this short signal, we can still get a bounce up, okay, like we did here almost after, and like we did here a few days after. Okay, so I watch this, but because we can get this signal and get a bounce up, what I actually think is, for bears, it's better to go up right now before the daily close, so there will be more room here maybe to go lower, okay, and at the end of the day and the next day. So this is what I watch as a bear. And as a bull, of course, this line has support, and we go up from here, and RSI will support us, the MACD will print positive, and this needs to curve up after the price goes down up, of course. And here on the 4 hour, we can see that right now the EMAs are like want to cross, but it's not so we can see to where, in my opinion. Okay, and like I always tell, before the bear cross, it goes up. Okay, so right now it still can be a bear cross, but because people saw it from here actually, that it's gonna be a bear cross, and also Trump tweeted somewhere here, I think here or maybe, so we get the up movement. Okay, and right now imagine all the people that believe in Bitcoin like me, and like we know that it's bullshit what Trump said, you know what I mean? And we know what is BTC, but this is exactly where I try to be careful, because it's like I thought about it, and it's like one of the most bullish things, in my opinion, actually can be actually Trump saying Bitcoin, you know what I mean? And this is kind of making maybe everybody go long. Okay, and also the way he said it was not like hey Bitcoin or Satoshi Nakamoto or something. He said like the USD is strong and Bitcoin is not good, you know what I mean? So that everyone in the crypto community kind of know it's bullshit, and we kind of want to prove him wrong, you know what I mean? And go long and pump that motherfucker and say to him, here is the Bitcoin, you know? But again, I watched it with much careful, because I think that it also might be like some kind of fucked up trap because of the SP 500, and it's all-time highs also, and I actually think it can go even higher, because it's like you don't waste an all-time high. So if all-time high, and already a few years talking about the crash, so now I must be go short, you know what I mean? So they first go up and then it goes down. I don't know. Time will tell. And we are at BTC. Donald is we don't know where he is, but imagine if this will pump and it will all be connected, it will be a real nice story, in my opinion. Okay, so in the 4 hour, sorry, drifted a little bit. On the 4 hour, we see the EMA are colliding, the 16 and 48. And I want to see the next hours where it goes, because in my opinion, bulls at least needs to close above this level and sustain. Okay, above this level, sustain here, above the mid BB of the 4 hour and above this level. But bears want to go lower than this, lower than the 50 EMA, and continue to go lower. Okay, so we watch what will happen. On the 1 hour, we can see also a nice bullish move, and here the EMA is about to cross bull and everybody is going long, you know, before it crosses, and even before it crosses it already starts to go down. "30 minutes, we can see that two red candles, and everybody knows not to short, and indeed price goes down up a little bit. Okay, but you know what I think about it? I also think that it can still go down. I watch here the MACD in those cases. 15 minutes, let's see. Scalpers time frame, as I call it, and also a couple of red candles, and we know not to short. Found support on the 16 EMA, is going up right now, and I want to see if it can go up again to this line and maybe break out of the BB. Okay, but for this to happen, the MACD needs to start from here, curve up, and more on the histogram app, and it is less happening. Okay, so also watch out. Okay, so that was the time frames. And another thing we look at is the 1 hour pivot and the 21 EMA line, and again we can see that we were below the EMA nicely. This hourly candle took everybody out, and again up, and right now we are again at bull territory, and it seems that if this keeps going, if bulls keeps control this, so we go more up, and we maybe even get to test this line, maybe even break this line and try to sustain above it. Okay, and also I added something little here as a joke for myself and for followers, if you like it, I don't know. But anyways, I thought about it. We were here at all-time, not all-time high, but you know, at the peak. And it's like the Trump's agency is like coming up to him and they say, "Mr. Trump, you should tweet about BTC." And he says, "Nah, I wait for the dip." You know what I mean? Because like, how come he tweets here it's bad? You know, it's too much. It's like too much sometimes. In my opinion, it's too much things. But again, I try to not take this too much as a noise, and try to see it more day by day and TA wise. And again, the IG client sentiment, we can see that right now we are 2179, and before, if we go to the morning, it was 22. Okay, so it fell down 1%, which is actually, I like it more for bears, to be less bears in the market, so they can split more money. And right now the situation for them is not good because the shorts are in pain, and this means that the shorts are adding against the market, and the market is going up, and the shorts are still adding. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope it was useful. If you want to follow the Discord server, there all the links are in the description, the Telegram channel, everything is easy. And that's all, guys. Just trade safe and good luck, and bye bye for today. See you next time. Good night.